Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Snapchat Babyface filter. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app. Slide left to the screen in order to find the filter. And if you aren't able to find the filter, then click on the search icon on the bottom of your screen. Tap on the search button and type in Babyface. Here you can see a bunch of options. Select the ones you like and enjoy the adorable babyface transformation. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.